what's up YouTube? JP here. So we got some new equipment for the shop and the metal fabrication area. So we went out and we bought the Vulcan ProTIG 205 TIG welder from Harbor Freight. We've been using it for the last couple weeks. If you've watched our shorts, you can kind of see us practicing. We've never TIG welded before. So again, we're teaching ourselves how to work with metal. If you come over here, kind of show you a few things. We did upgrade our torch to the CK Worldwide torch. It's the Superflex hose with the nylon protection covering. It is the flex head, so we're able to flex our torch wherever we need to. The standard torch worked fine with the Vulcan, but this just gives you a little bit better angle. When we're doing stainless, we are running the Furic cups right here. This is, I believe, a number 16 here. So we got a few different size cups for depending on which metals we're working with. Kind of give you a quick overview of what we picked up. We have our argon tank here, running 100% argon. If you look in here, we got our shorties to make the torch short. We got a couple ceramic 12 cups. We picked up a reamer tool to deburring tool to deburr things. We got a couple different sizes. This is the standard kit that the Vulcan comes with, so you'll get several different ceramic cups, your 8s, your 5s, and your 6s. And then I ordered a couple shorty kits. Sometimes you need a little bit tighter area to get in there. Got some extra gas stuff here. Coming down here, we've been using Weld Metals Online for all their practice material. So we've gotten all our filler rod. We got our standard steel filler rod, our aluminum filler rod, and our stainless steel filler rod. And then this is more stainless, and some larger aluminum, because we plan on doing a lot of intake work and custom stuff like that. We're running our green series tungsten here. It's the GTM. It's also from CK Worldwide. Seems to work with every material. I haven't had any issues on aluminum, steel, anything like that. So just kind of a couple things. This is a AC/DC TIG welder, so it does do aluminum. It also has a pulse feature. We can kind of see what we've been practicing with over here. We're still kind of teaching ourselves how to work with mild steel, but this was like our first go at it, so you got to excuse it. This was the first time we ever did mild steel, but we're just kind of learning how to control the heat. These are from Weld Metals Online. They're practicing coupons. This is about 8 hours of, practicing and playing around with settings and stuff. This is my stainless here. Just kind of working on stainless. Aluminum, using the AC setting. See here, it's got good penetration. This is about 12 gauge aluminum there, so works really good. Again, we just practiced working on different settings, learning how to teach ourselves here. So if you move over here, we picked up this is from Clutch, but now Harbor Freight carries the exact same one, but it's just their titanium brand. It's the same size, same setup, everything. It's a fabrication table. It's not on even ground right now, but you can adjust the legs. This is Weld Metals Online practicing stainless steel diamond that I've been working on. So all the welds are done. There's a few spots I got to fix up and fill up, but we're gonna get this thing all polished out and cleaned up. But this is pure stainless, all fully welded together. You can see it's pretty much seamless now from the welds. This is, like I said, 2 to 3 days after welding for the first time ever. So this fabrication bench, it's called a fixture table. It really helped with working on this diamond, being able to hold different things in place. It comes with all of these different adjustments, different kind of fabrication tools. This is for holding pipes. You know, you can, let's say you got a curved pipe and you can rest it in this concave here, have it curve and being rest over here wherever you need it. So works really well. And that's pretty much it for the new shop equipment. We did pick up this. I would recommend spending the money on I know there's going to be people out there. I'm new to this, so they can correct me. It doesn't really matter. But I picked up a kind of more expensive welding helmet. This is the ESOF Sentinel A50. They now have an A60 model, but this thing has been amazing. It's fully digital. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but it's fully digital. You can change your shade settings. You can have it kick on faster, slower. What I noticed is on some of the metals, being able to adjust that tint really helps, especially on aluminum, because aluminum, as it's kind of in its melting point, looks the same color as everything else. So being able to adjust the actual darkness without hurting your eyes makes a huge difference. Another nice feature about this mask in particular, it's got this grind button. You hold it for 3 seconds, it will shut down the auto darkening feature, and you can use it as a grinding mask. So you don't have to switch this mask to put on another mask to grind your piece of metal and then go back to your welding helmet. You can use this helmet all the way around the shop. It comes with multiple screens for spares, so when they get scratched up and ruined, a couple yellows, couple clears. I like the yellow because it helps with this has a true color feature, so it really helps with that. But yeah, so like I said, we're kind of moving along here with the performance shop and the performance stuff, trying to teach ourselves the metal fabrication. We're going to be next video 2 going back to work on the silica, because we got some welding in that floor pan if you've watched the videos before. So now we'll be able to, we have a MIG welder, but we'll be able to TIG weld some of the stuff a little bit easier and get into a little tighter places, especially with this flex head. The final thing was I did pick up this. It's a little pricey, but picked up this Vulcan heavy duty welding cart. I think it runs about 500 bucks. So it's really great. It holds two tanks. We actually have a second tank on the way. It's got plenty of support. It's all reinforced. So definitely when you're working with all this kind of stuff, definitely makes life a little easier to move this around the shop. So definitely to me, a good investment. It's probably one of my favorite features of everything we bought besides the welder itself. But yeah, so anyways, you guys, there you have it. Some new equipment for the shop. Stay tuned. We're going to be learning together and moving forward with the business.